Guys, it's Sam's thing, and today this video is gonna seem like it's pretty dumb by the title, but you wouldn't actually believe some people don't know how to rev their car up properly and how to make a proper video of it, and just to get the most sound you possibly can out of your vehicle on the channel, and just try to get it out there, because like sometimes, yeah, sure, it can sound okay, but does it sound close to what the car is actually supposed to sound like? No, most of the time they don't, and anyone could put a phone up like this, or better yet, they can hold it vertical like this. I mean, it doesn't look vertical on your end because it's stuck in horizontal mode, but anyone can do that and make a crappy exhaust clip or whatever. But whenever you're making a proper rev video or just what to do, that doesn't work. Whenever you do something like, oh my God, you just rev and rev up your car, you have to make it proper. What is she doing? Jesus. You gotta make sure that it's in an area that doesn't really echo, but your phone or camera, whatever it is, captures the sound accurately. So I film everything with my phone, and I got a new phone because I thought it would record a little bit better, which it kind of does and kind of doesn't. Getting lost in the YouTube upload encoding system, it loses a lot of resolution, so it kind of defeats the whole purpose of getting another phone. So YouTube, fix your shit with your apps and stuff. We're going to talk about what I do to get the most accurate sound from my car and what you should do with your car. Do not get in front of your car and try to rev up. That is just the dumbest thing. The sound is coming from the back. Unless you have an exhaust in the front, like let's say AKA cold air intake, you're not going to hear anything. Not just park yourself behind a car and put the camera up to the mufflers, because I know you want to think that's how you capture the most sound, but you kind of don't, because it sounds different from every angle. So what you should do is have a camera position somewhere around this far back. It's about 10 feet back from the car, propped up and rev behind it. That way you can capture the most accurate sound that isn't blurted out by the muffler or being right by the tailpipe. And third, I think on this list, or I don't really know what it is, but be at an angle, kind of, because most of the time people are going to be next to you when going by. So you could be from the side, not in the center side where the door is, but you can be more towards the side if you would like to capture the most sound possible, or you can just kind of be somewhere tucked off. Just don't be way far back, because those sound waves will be lost and they will be muffled. And next, we're going to talk about how to rev your car. But in order to do that, we're actually going to have to record some clips of what not to do, or how not to rev your car. All right, let's go. Now that's how you're not supposed to rev. Reason behind that being is that you're holding it too long. People don't like to hear tiny revs. People like to hear big ones. They like to hear progression, like to hear different ways to do it. If you're doing the same thing over and over again, people don't want to hear it. It sounds stupid and it's disappointing to them. But now we're gonna go over to the way that you're supposed to rev on a video on YouTube, or post it just to show your friends, or just show variety, show what the car can actually do. And don't just stay low in the RPM range, because revving your car is not going to damage your engine. So, without further ado, this is how you should rev your car. you should rev your car. The reason behind that being is that you're going through a bunch of different progressions and range, and you're not scared to tap on it. Now, I understand if you're in an area where your neighbors are going to kill you, go to a different area. It doesn't really matter all that much, okay? Now, maybe it will if you have like a homeowners association or your neighborhood's just that strict, but just find a place, because people would rather have a good exhaust clip than crap, and they'd rather have nothing than crap. So I hope this is informative for you guys, and any questions, like the content, please leave a comment, like, subscribe. I'm on a journey to get 1,000 subscribers, and it would really help me out, and I'd love to see that. But any other questions, any content suggestions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. This has been Sam's Thing, and I'll see you next time. Probably gonna change the name from Sam's Thing, because my name isn't even Sam.